Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study SAT English. Start by familiarizing yourself with the test format, which includes reading, writing, and language, and an optional essay. Take a full-length diagnostic test to pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses. This initial assessment is crucial for creating a targeted study plan. Dedicate specific time slots each week to practice, ensuring you cover all question types effectively. For the reading section, active reading is key. Engage with the text by highlighting or making notes as you go. Focus on understanding the author's purpose and the main arguments presented. When answering questions, always refer back to the passage for evidence. A helpful strategy is to eliminate at least 2 obviously incorrect answer choices before making your final selection, increasing your odds of success. The writing and language section tests your grammar and editing skills. Brush up on fundamental grammar rules, such as subject-verb agreement, pronoun usage, and proper punctuation. Practice identifying common errors in sentence structure and word choice. Pay attention to rhetorical skills, ensuring sentences are concise and relevant to the passage's overall meaning. Consistent practice with official materials will sharpen your eye for detail. To maximize your preparation, use official SAT practice tests provided by the College Board. These tests accurately reflect the exam's format and difficulty. Establish a realistic study schedule, dedicating a few hours each week to focused practice. After each practice test, thoroughly review all your incorrect answers to understand why you made errors. This reflective process is vital for continuous improvement and building confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.